Westlake Explorers are inquisitive. This means students don't just learn a lesson and move on. Instead, here at Westlake, students are challenged at their level to dig deeper into their studies. All explorers use their inquisitive minds to make personal connections with academic content, and then find creative ways to demonstrate that knowledge.
Another way to look at the core value of inquisitive is wondering how you can improve personally in all aspects of life. Explorers are thoughtful of all the skills needed to thrive in today's diverse world. Collaboration and teamwork are paramount to any thriving community. These interpersonal skills, as well as academic knowledge, are developing with each passing month.
Our collective attitude towards education this year could be summed up in just 2 words: growth mindset. This philosophy acknowledges that trying anything for the first time is hard and often results in failure. These early fumbles are not discouraged, but celebrated. It is only through practice, through personal trial and personal error, that we begin to truly internalize knowledge and create new life habits.
All explorers show the core value of joyful learning from time to time. However, students who show pride for their school and excitement for new things often find themselves excelling in the classroom. For these explorers, homework is not a chore, but an opportunity, and the hours of the school day are just not long enough to practice and enrich their skills.
Like the name of our mascot, the explorers of Westlake Charter are continually evolving their view of the world, their global perspective. Through the international languages of math and science, students begin to see the application of concepts around the world and their own backyards.
In humanities, we use a global perspective to analyze our world's history and explore the many cultures who have contributed to making the United States the incredibly diverse country it is today. Students are encouraged to tell their own stories and to appreciate the diversity of their own communities.
As we enter the month of May, there was a single core value that kept us moving forward: perseverancia, perseverance. With the days growing longer and warmer, it took an extra dose of excellence to stay focused and productive, yet our Westlake Explorers prevailed.
Trying your best, no matter what. That is perseverance. No matter how tired you may be or how many times we get it wrong. To always put forth our most earnest effort, that is how we persevere. Students at Westlake are asked to try new things daily. As adults, it is sometimes easy to turn our backs on change, stick to what we know, what we're good at. Explorers not only accept new challenges and changes in their environments, they thrive on it.
In these final weeks of school, explorers were encouraged to focus on their ability to be reflective. There are many aspects to this core value. Academically, we looked back at our past challenges and successes. Through that lens, we began to understand our strengths and strengthen our weaknesses. No muscle of our bodies, no portion of our vast minds left untested. Through our specialties program, students were challenged to think, speak, and write in Spanish, create expressive artwork, and achieve lofty physical fitness goals. Our wonderful explorers achieved these goals and often surpassed them. Each and every explorer in this room has learned something vital this year, something so life-changing it is impossible to measure now the impact of this one idea in years to come. It is simple, yet so often forgotten. It is a matter of coupling personal perseverance with a growth mindset. Mistakes are not errors unless we refuse to correct them. We never lose if we try our best. The journey is the destination.
While each explorer grows at their own pace, we come to realize it is not the height of the student, but the complexity within. Through the development of character and armed with knowledge, our explorers are becoming complex global citizens that are the embodiment of Westlake's core values. Putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, we are given the gift of reflection. To see in others the links and the differences of our own humanity, we realize our true potential is something we must continually strive for.
Although your journey at Westlake may be over, may you never stop exploring.